Un Global Sales Manager di grande esperienza è sicuramente Olaf Cieply della tedesca IBL Technik, azienda specializzata nell'interessante tecnologia della fase vapore. Ecco alcune domande su prodotti, applicazioni e tecnologie. What solution does IBL offer for the electronics markets today?
Well, we have a range of machines starting from economy machines through premium range in the Vapour Phase technology. So IBL has been on the market for 35 years by now, and we basically cover the complete range, offering depending on what kind of application the customer needs. We speak to the customers.
We know that you have been actively collaborating with Etronic as distributor for Italy for a long time. How have your relations been with Etronic over the last years? And what aspect would you like to further strengthen in this partnership?
Well, since the beginning of collaboration together with IBL, we've been very happy because IBL has really initiated the sales in Italy. They really boosted from the beginning on. We're very happy for the support they give, very professional support from installation, sales support, and we barely need any to interfere. They can solve everything themselves. Of course, they attend to our seminars, training, so we have a very often exchange of information. And I believe that Itronic will definitely continue their success the way that they are growing the market for us, IBL. So in general, we are extremely happy with the support given.
What solution is IBL presenting at this Etronic workshop, and what new products do you have in store for the future?
Well, this time we brought a machine which is capable of additionally having a vacuum chamber. It's a batch machine, but we also offer inline machines with vacuum chamber. And since this kind of technology is growing continuously due to the fact that the power electronics is growing continuously, it's very important to have very qualitatively good connections. And therefore we do focus on such developments, and in the future, probably towards Productronica, we are going to show something revolutionary new. We hope that we will be able to finish off this kind of new development towards November, and probably that will be another big further step in our development of new products.